guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thanks for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a recipe all the way from India. So every time I think about Indian food, the first thing that comes to my mind is Tikka Masala. And today I'm making chicken Tikka Masala, and I'm going to show you guys what I add to my chicken Tikka Masala. So first, we're going to add plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons of garlic, and half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of cumin, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and salt to taste. I'm gonna mix all of these together. It smells amazing. So after mixing all of your ingredients with the chicken, you're going to cover this and let it marinate overnight. Okay, so after marinating your chicken overnight, you're going to make it into skewers and put it in a tray like that. So I already preheated my oven on broil 500 degrees, and I'm going to cook each side for 5 minutes only. Okay, so I actually cooked each side for 10 minutes. 5 minutes were not enough. And that's how they look. I'm going to flip them on the other side and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious chicken tikka masala sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 stick of butter, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Mix these together. Once you smell the ginger and garlic, you're going to add 1 large onion, and cook all of these together for 2 minutes. A pinch of black pepper, about half a teaspoon of cumin, one tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of coriander, a tablespoon of turmeric, and a tablespoon of garam masala. And of course, salt to taste. A cup and a half of tomato puree, and 3 cups of warm water. Going to lower my heat on low and cover this and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. That's how it looks after adding my whipping cream. And I'm going to cover it and wait for my chicken. Okay, my chicken is all done. I'm going to throw them in the sauce. And as far as spice, this is going to be mild because all of the spices I put were kind of spicy, especially the garam masala. So you guys can add more spice if you like. I usually do, but today I'm not. Okay, so after adding the chicken, I'm going to let everything cook for another 10 minutes on high heat, and I will show you guys how I serve it. I put my tikka masala in a serving plate and I garnished it with some cilantro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what would you like to see next. See you guys later.